Today's the first alert weather day, and the first alert weather day continues tomorrow as well. That's because we're tracking multiple rounds of snow still to come. Tonight, it's lake effect snow as well as a band of snow that'll drop in from Michigan. So it's sort of a 1-2 punch tonight. And then on Monday, there'll be periods of lake effect snow. Hyper focused. Not everybody will be dealing with the snow at the same time. Some places seeing a lot, some places seeing a little from that second round. You can see what we're dealing with right now on First Alert Satellite and Radar. Lake effect snow band really strong. It stretches all the way past Indianapolis. It's drifting to the east. So we're seeing snow in Kosciuszko County, Wabash County, as well as Huntington. And then we're seeing that snow band start to move in from the north. So Stu Ben, you're seeing snow right now as well. And pretty much everybody will get in on some snow over the next couple of hours. Now, in terms of impacts, this is what we're thinking. We'll have strong gusty winds tomorrow, upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. Combine that with the times that it's snowing, well, we could be talking about reduced visibility in some instances. But throughout the night tonight, tomorrow morning, and even through Tuesday morning, a few slick spots on the roads are possible, especially your elevated surfaces, your bridges, your overpasses. And if we get an intense burst of snow, kind of similar to what we saw this morning here in Fort Wayne, well, some of that snow could stick to the road. So you want to use some caution if you're traveling over the next 36 hours. Can't promise that there will or won't be any school delays, so tune in tomorrow morning, 21Alive, and we'll give you the very latest. As you plan to head out the door on Monday morning, I would take the jacket, the hat, the mittens, and if you park outside, grab a snow brush because you're likely going to need it. We do have a cold start to the day. First Alert Future Track is showing that lake effect snow and that snow band tonight passing through our area by the time 6-7 a.m. rolls around. So by the time the morning commute arrives on Monday, we could not be dealing with snow falling, just what's already on the ground. And then we see a nice break late morning, early afternoon, but then by 2-3 p.m., that lake effect snow starts to fire back up. And you can see, like I talked about, very hyper focused. So while places like Columbia City, Huntington could be dealing with the snow on Monday night, Angola, Auburn very well may not be at the same time. Then that snow band drifts to the east, and we'll be done with the snow for the most part by the time Tuesday morning arrives. Maybe a few snow flurries on Tuesday afternoon, that's about it. So how much snow are we talking about? This is on top of what we've already seen. Tonight into Monday morning, it could be about ½ an inch of snow additionally. That's that area in light blue, to possibly 2 more inches of snow. That's that dark blue in parts of Wabash and Kosciuszko County. Then we get to Monday morning to Monday evening time frame. Additional ½ an inch of snow to 1 inch is possible. Fort Wayne and places to the north with the most intense, the highest snow totals, likely to be in Kosciuszko and into Elkhart County. And then we get to overnight Monday into Tuesday. A light dusting additionally is possible with more intense snow expected in Kosciuszko County. So we could be talking about an additional 1 to 3 inches of snow area-wide by the time Tuesday morning rolls around. Here's a quick look at the temperatures on Monday. Waking up in the morning, the air temperature in the mid-20s feels like temperature in the low teens. It is going to be a cold start to your Monday and cold on Veterans Day Tuesday as well. A high of only 38 degrees, but we are warming up. By Thursday, we'll get to 50, and then by next weekend, we'll see highs in the low 60s, but we want to give you the first alert now about the chance for some rain next Sunday.